I don't think Sharon wants this little thing. It's all busted on. I don't know if I'm gonna make a command decision and just chuck this. That's just, oh, I got a feeling I know where it's gonna go. Whoops, somehow I got a hold of that thing accidentally. All right, check this out. Look what came yesterday. We got us a dumpster, and I'm excited. Lots of piles around here going in. That's gonna be the easy low-hanging fruit first. We got a junk pile here. We're gonna clean that barn out there. Yeah, that dock, I gotta peel all that wood off. So let's get to work here and get started. Well, since we're going past this spot, we might as well grab a scoop. Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to any of our new viewers. So this week we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to try to bring you daily updates from the farm. So this July 4th week and long weekend, Sharon is off. Today is July 1st and this was her last day. So we've got the next 5 or 6 days off. We got sunny weather in the forecast. We got a dumpster. We got machines. We got imaginations. We got a rock garden to build. She's got a little waterfall thing she wants to build in the rock garden. She wants me to tear out the boat dock, if you will, the fishing dock. And wow, we got a lot in store. So this is today. So today I started in with the dumpster, and I'm going to show you some of the cleanup and that. And even though we've been here a year, we could use a few more dumpsters yet. But hey, every dumpster we fill is usually a good thing, because we're bringing order back to this house and homestead that's kind of been out of control for who knows how long. So let's get into it and have a great week and weekend coming up. Thanks a lot. So if you're wondering, what in the world is this junk here? This is carpet and shingles. We pulled these out of their garden, which we learned they use for weed control, kind of. And so that's what this particular pile is. It's carpet and shingles, and there's also some plastic. I'm not sure the term of it, but you'll see it here in just a second. So over the last few weeks, this decking used to be up here by the house where you see we got rocks now. It's not done. It's far from complete, but it's, halfway done. So they used to have this deck next to the house. It was all rotten. It was all moldy and that. So these 2 deck piles are going next. We're going to have stone delivered coming here the day after tomorrow. And hopefully we'll finish this rock garden by the end of her July 4th weekend. But we'll take it one step at a time and we'll enjoy the journey. I mean, life is about the journey, not always the destination. So every little cleanup like this kind of gives you a good feeling. So let's keep cleaning up. Okay, brace yourself here. Our regular long-term viewers will know what I'm talking about. I'm about to do some manual labor. I mean, some real manual labor. Watch this. Labor for today. Alright, now we got to get that other pile carefully. I scraped the concrete a little, but it ain't going to hurt it a whole lot. I'll be more careful on the next one. This thing pretty quick. Got them two deck areas done, loaded, swept. Man, it really helps when you got equipment, force multipliers. Shout out to Todd and Missy. Todd sent me some pictures. He rented an excavator, first time ever. Got some work done. They got a farm between here and St. Louis. Enjoying living a dream. They're going to have some kind of gathering for the 4th. Don't know if we're going to make it or not. Let's see if I can do a little better. Carpet's heavy. You can feel it. Oh, I gotta throw them light bulbs in now. I wanted them in the middle, so when they break, they don't come crumbling out the bottom of the dumpster. Was that a snake or was that garden hose? That looked eerie. I did not mean to do that. Dang it. I hate when I do that. I'm sure we'll be overloaded again. It's worth it. Get this place cleaned up some more. And check back in. Dumpster's filling up fast. Got a bunch of junk piled up here that I threw over this concrete wall when I cleaned the back of the barn out. This is mostly bigger pieces. Grab some of these, start getting this back side yard cleaned up a little. All right, got most of this out of here. I don't think Sharon wants this little thing. It's all busted on the bottom. I gotta sweep that ash from burn barrel, but look at this. I found carpet and more crap that we hadn't even got to this corner yet, but it's just about cleaned up. Got to get that little orange fencing out from under that tooth, and then it will be soon. I don't know if I'm gonna make a command decision and just chuck this. That's just a radiator fan, it looks like, for a tractor. So I got a feeling I know where it's gonna go next. Whoops, somehow I got a hold of that thing accidentally. Sorry, Sharon, if you wanted it. But I'm thinking command decision, and we got a dumpster. That's it. And she's not home either, so woo, booyah, progress. All right, Sharon is calling me. Let's go see what's going on.
Hey, Joe.
What?
Joe. Hey, I was just thinking, you know, we're cleaning up there.
Mm-hmm.
There's a windmill that was here when we moved here. It's got like red, white, and blue on it. I think it's next to the barn. I forgot to look for it, but I want to save that because I want to put that out in the front landscaping. So make sure you don't throw that out with the other stuff.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
I saw it the other day. I know it's still there. We didn't throw it out the first time. So.
Oh, we were saving that?
Yeah, that's why we didn't throw it out last year when we were cleaning up.
Oh. Okay.
Why? You're hesitating.
Nothing. I think it's still there.
Okay.
All right, cool. We're good. It's all good.
All right. Okay, good. Thanks.
All right. Got the garden pile knocked out. Got these two piles knocked out. Got the trash next to the barn knocked out. Tomorrow I'm going to pick it back up. Sharon's off for a few days now. We got to inspect this dock and see if the screws are rotten. You know, if we could back them out with a power driver, or if we're going to have to manually. I could reach some of this with the excavator and peel it apart. I mean, we're trying to salvage it because I think the frame's okay yet, but everything's spongy and rotten wood. And if we gotta put a new frame, we do. I mean, you see it's got concrete base, but I think if we could peel it, yeah, I mean, I can't reach, but maybe out to here, this first pier, and that, I mean, that's dangerous right there. But I think the frame could be reused. Yeah, this is gonna be a messy job right here. And this is pretty deep. I can't get in the water too far. I wonder though if I could just pull this whole thing off of here. It's just sitting on the concrete piers. Yeah, I'm gonna have to chew on this one for a minute. These screws look all rusty. They ain't gonna work either like the other deck. Boy, I mean, I could maybe peel this entire thing off of here and start over. Daggone it. I don't know if you guys would have stained it 10 years ago. Oh, look at the ants in here too. Oh, nice. Well, we're gonna have to seriously think on this one right here. Yeah, I'm not making any decision on this right now. I'm gonna go in and cool off for a minute.